Service entrance rating, or SER, cable is suitable for use as the main electrical service entrance cable from a meter base or distribution panel to the main electrical panel in a building. It is designed for outdoor use and can be routed exposed, without conduit, in dry or wet locations. It typically has a black or yellow jacket. Service entrance underground, or SEU, cable is specifically designed for underground burial. It has a rugged, water-resistant jacket that protects against moisture, soil acidity, and abrasion. It may also be used for above-ground exposed applications, but is less common than SER for this purpose. It typically has a black or red jacket. SER cable is used as an outdoor service entrance cable above ground. It is used for connecting the meter base to the main panel in buildings where an underground service entrance is not possible. It is used for exposed wiring in dry or wet locations. It can be routed without conduit in attics, basements, and other dry or wet areas. SEU cable is used as an underground service entrance cable. It can be buried directly in the ground, typically from the utility transformer to the foundation of the building. It can be used for above-ground exposed wiring in corrosive environments. It can withstand the harsh conditions of outdoor exposure in areas with high moisture and soil acidity. A table of key differences would include these points. Firstly, purpose. SER is for service entrance, exposed. SEU is for underground burial, exposed in corrosive environments. Secondly, jacket. SER has a black or yellow jacket. SEU has a black or red, water-resistant jacket. Thirdly, burial. SER is not suitable for underground burial. SEU is suitable for underground burial. Fourthly, corrosion resistance. SER has moderate corrosion resistance. SEU has high corrosion resistance. Fifthly, cost. SER is typically more expensive. SEU is typically less expensive. Sixthly, availability. SER is widely available. SEU may be less available in some areas. Always consult with a qualified electrician to determine the appropriate cable type and installation requirements for any specific application.